Hi everyone, so today here's our activity, okay? So what you're going to be doing is pretty much the same thing that we were just doing on our lesson with those couple examples. Okay, you're going to be factoring and solving, okay, or just factoring and finding the answers, and then I will show you what we do after we do that, okay? So I'm going to do the first one for you. You should follow the steps, okay? So first thing you're gonna do, I'm gonna zoom in so I have more room to write, is you are going to identify A equals 1, B equals negative 14, and C equals 48, okay? Step 2 is then to multiply A times C, okay? And then now we are going to find the factors. Now here, this is important. We have a negative B. Okay, so what you can do, what you need to realize is that you just have to write the negative factor pairs of 48, okay? So just the negative factor pairs. So our first one is negative 1 and negative 48, and then negative 2 and negative 24, and then negative 3 and negative 16, and then negative 4 and negative 12, and negative 6 and negative 8, okay? You don't have to write the positive factors here because if you add up any positive factors, you're gonna get a positive number, and we are looking for a negative B here, okay? So we just need to look at our negative numbers. So my next step is then to find which factors add up to give me my B, and my B is negative 14, okay? So negative 1 plus negative 48 is negative 49, so we can cross that one out. Negative 2 plus negative 24 is negative 26, cross it out. Negative 3 plus negative 16 is negative 19, we can cross that out. Negative 4 plus negative 12 is negative 16, we can cross that out. And then finally, negative 6 and negative 8 gives me a negative 14. Okay, so that is the factors we are going to use. Okay, so we have our factors. My next step would then to be write my parentheses, so my two parentheses. And if A equals 1, we could put the X in front, which in this case it does. Okay, and then you're just gonna fill in. So we're gonna fill in negative 6 and negative 8 because that's the factors we chose. Okay, then you're gonna go down to the bottom here. So I'm gonna unzoom for a second. Okay, and you are going to find which number, which number and which color correlates with the answers here. So we have a negative 6. So the top one, we do have a negative 6, and that is 6. So what you're gonna do is write 6, and then, so here we can cross that out. And then my negative 8, which I'm gonna look for the color, is dark blue. Okay, so you could write DB. And that's what I want you to do for all of them. Before you color anything, I want you to solve each one, okay? So solve all 12 of them and label them like I did. So the number and the color you're gonna do. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on to the next page and you have a color by number, okay? So when doing this on Cami, you are going to realize that they're numbered. So my first one was dark blue and it was 6. So I'm just gonna use, I only have one color blue here, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I only have one color blue, so that's what we're gonna have to stick with, okay? And we're gonna fill in, okay? We are going to color in every 6. So here, I'm just gonna highlight. You need to actually color them in, okay? Here, where else? This big one here, and here, and I think that's it. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing for all of them. Once you solve, that's why I want you to go ahead and solve all of them first and then do the coloring later so you're not going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, okay? So that's what you're going to be doing, super easy. Your grades on here is 36 points for the front and 12 points for the coloring, okay? So 36 points for the front page and 12 points for the coloring. So if you don't color, you're automatically getting 12 points off. Okay, so color, this is the easiest thing in the world. This is due a week from when assigned. All right, that's all. If you have any questions, you could hop on a Google Meet after school or just message me and we could text, whatever you feel the need, however you want me to help you, I am good with. Okay, have a good day.